Gets hotter and hotter. Well, no, for some of us, it just gets wetter and wetter. A cruel divide in our weather through this weekend. Yes, it will be hot and sunny across many parts of England and Wales, and we may well break the all-time record for October. Today we did pretty well, 29 degrees, 29.2 in actual fact, a couple of locations across eastern England. But by stark contrast across western Scotland, Northern Ireland, you'll be wondering what all the fuss was about. 16 degrees under the cloud here and some fairly persistent rain too. And that's a sign of things to come, I'm afraid, through this weekend. For much of Scotland and Northern Ireland, it will be quite cool and cloudy with further outbreaks of rain. Overnight tonight, some fairly heavy stuff pushing across eastern parts of Northern Ireland into the southwest of Scotland. For England and Wales, it's clearer. One or two fog patches for me. It will be quite a warm night. Some places not getting much below 20 degrees. Now, tomorrow morning, of course, we've got a very important rugby game taking place down under. England playing Scotland at Auckland. Fair bit of cloud, risk of a shower, 14 degrees here. As you step out tomorrow morning across England and Wales, it will already be warmer than 14 degrees, and it's just going to get hotter and hotter again. For Northern Ireland and Scotland, some very heavy rain pushing out of the east of Northern Ireland. Warnings have been issued and into the heart of Scotland by the afternoon. So a fairly drab scene here, some fairly heavy and persistent rain, and quite cool as well. Some respite, we think, for a time through the afternoon across Northern Ireland. Some of that rain fringing into Cumbria, the far northwest of Wales. But for most of England and Wales, another sizzler, just a little bit of high cloud. 29 degrees in the London area, some other eastern counties. Will the all-time record be broken, set way back in 1985? Well, we'll know by this time tomorrow. Now, let me show you something you don't see very often. Pulling out, London will be hotter than many of our illustrious southern European friends. Now, that is quite remarkable, 29 degrees in early October. And it'll be similar again on Sunday across the southern half of the UK, more very hot sunshine. I think northern England will be a little bit cooler with a fair bit of cloud. This front just pivoting a little bit, but it's really just Scotland, Northern Ireland, which will see most of the rain once more. Now, on Monday, the breeze beginning to pick up, and that'll usher some of the heat away, but still very warm across the south with some sunshine, cooler and cloudier further northwest, and gradually through next week, things